What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and welcome to my weekly vlog. As you may have noticed, I'm doing a lot of YouTube shorts, kind of showing this and that, making short videos because there's lots going on at the business, and I don't have time to make a full-length video. So, actually, let's get into the shorts that we've gone over. Let's start with the blowtorching chairs short. Well, I went to Home Depot and I bought one of these. What's this? It's a torch. Why? Because I saw a video. In that video, they were using a torch in a baseball stadium to rejuvenate chairs. Then I remember my good friend Randy saying, hey, blowtorching chairs work. So I thought, maybe I should blowtorch some chairs for a video. Of course, I ended up getting a torch that made it way too hot, but for video's sake, it worked. So don't get a map torch, get a propane torch. But that's besides the point. At least I torched some chairs and it pretty much worked. Other than my bad lining up torching skills that do a terrible job of torching. Okay, let's crack it open. How's the top of that one look? Is it faded? All right, a brown chair. Long story short, I'm gonna be blowtorching all my brown chairs because I can. Anyways, you can check out the short. It goes a little bit more into depth about it. These are old chairs, and no matter how much I clean them, they still look old and gross. So today we're gonna melt some chairs and see if we can rejuvenate them. Well, I went to Home Depot and I bought one of these. It's a torch. Never throw the torch. It's the torch. Okay, let's crack it open. So we're gonna put a little bit of flame on it. It should be really quick. So after we did the first red chair, we found that it left some brown marks. Good thing we have lots of brown chairs. Let's grab some brown chairs. Grab the torch. All right, you ready to try this again with brown? I know what you're gonna say, but now it's not virgin plastic anymore. Well, it wasn't virgin plastic for a long time, just like me and all the guys in the show. Moving on. Whoa. So when we were installing the 30x60 marquee a week or so ago, we decided to whip out the Gorilla Cart and see how it does transporting poles, and damn, it did good. So here's the short about that. Hint, Gorilla Carts rule. What's up, guys? This is the Gorilla Cart hack. If you're setting up frame tents or pole tents, you can fit 40 poles onto a Gorilla Cart to get them around. Gorilla Cart to get them around. This is by far the best way that I've done it, so I'm sharing my knowledge with you. Next, we've got a short about chairs. I've been cleaning lots of chairs. Jade has been cleaning we've been cleaning lots of chairs. I wash chairs. The bane of my existence are these guys. These are white resin folding chairs, and if you look at them wrong, they get dirty. They're very angry chairs. Okay, so right here I have a magic eraser. Think of this as sandpaper. So you use this to loosen the dirt, and then you use this to wipe the dirt clean. Get my magic eraser, do a light kind of sandpaper treatment. Now we take the microfiber cloth and then wipe it clean. I also sandpaper chairs. All right, look at this one. Look at that. That is bad. So you need sandpaper. So I got sandpaper blocks. You sand that and it's gone. Honestly, after all that sanding, you can barely see where. Moving on. Remember that video series that I did last year where I was painting those decals off the top of my tents? Well, I strike again with the spray painting tents, with the vinyl sprays. This is how you paint tents. So this old 20x30 that we have here is going for a client pickup today. When we rolled it out, we realized that there was some yellowing stains. So I had to think quick. So I picked up some of this color coat white, and this color coat white, if you've seen any of my other videos, this is how you paint tents. Okay, so you see this line right here? Jaden's just cleaning it from any debris, and then we spray the white paint on top. Very simple and quick, easy fix to make your tent white again. Remember, this isn't paint. This is actual vinyl spray, and it has UV inhibitors in it, so it's not gonna go yellow on you. This is the real deal. This is the only way that I've done through my research to paint a tent. I've got lots of videos. You can see them on my YouTube channel. After I painted the tent, then the customer could come pick it up. So we're doing customer pickups for tents, so here's a short about that. Make money renting tents. Okay, so we're doing a pickup pole tent here. So this is a 20 by 30 tent in here. So we're gonna go clean it before the customer comes to pick it up. We promise that our tents are clean, and we charge a cleaning fee that is only refunded if you return the tent back clean. Great, she's packed up and we're ready to have it for the pickup order. It's 10 poles, the stakes, then we've got the tent in the bag here, the drop cloth so the tent doesn't get dirty when the customer installs, the 2 bags full of sidewalls, and then we've got a bag full of ratchets here. That's all I got for you this week, but next week's another week, so stay tuned for a vlog then, and we'll see you on the next one. You stay classy. Do you like business but just don't know which kind of business to get into? I'm going to tell you to get into the alphabet business. No, I'm not talking about buying a franchise. I'm talking about buying our plants to build them yourself. I built a set of alphabet letters. I'm not even done building them yet, and I've already taken bookings for the summer, multiple bookings. Jump on with me into this business venture. You won't regret it.